Vernier caliper is used to measure the inside, outside, and the depth of an object. This is called the main scale. So this is measured in centimeter, but later we will convert it or read it in millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And this is called the Vernier scale. Vernier scale is measured 0.02 millimeter gradations. So let us try to measure the inside diameter of this big metal. Supposing we are going to replace its handle. Let us try to read it. Let us set the vernier caliper. Let me just move it to show 30, 35, 36, 37 millimeter. Let us now add the measurement in the vernier scale. Let us find the perfect alignment of the vernier scale and the main scale. The perfect alignment is located at this line. This is 70 and this is 0.2 millimeter gradation. 70, 72, 74, 76, and then 78. Let's add 0.78 plus 0.78 millimeter. So the actual measurement of the inside diameter of the big metal is 37.78 millimeter.